How to enable or disable auto download on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable auto download in Telegram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're inside the Telegram app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can see the option labeled as settings, so simply tap on that. And now once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as data and storage. And here under this section you can see the option labeled as automatic media download. And now to enable auto download on Telegram, you simply have to toggle on that three options below the automatic media download. And to disable automatic download on Telegram, just toggle off that all three options. And by doing that, you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable auto download on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.